there is not a single person that will hear about Jannah you wouldn't want that to be for himself. The things in Jannah that we heard of, they are all things that we can relate to, but in a different aspect. It is being related to us in the sense that we would be able to understand based on our circumstance in this world of what we know. If you hear anything that is in general, like cold drinks, there is water, there is a milk, there is alcohol, there is honey, right? These 4 drinks, they share the same name with what is in this dunya, but they taste differently. You've never tasted anything close to that. So also everything that you hear about the akhirah, it is in relation to what you know, the bigger picture and how exactly it is until you test it. MashaAllah. May Allah bless us with Jannat al-Firdaus. Amin ya Allah.